a penguin, a spoon, and a sneeze sound. I wonder where a zoo could be with all these clues. Well, what if zoo, you're gonna like this, what if zoo found a penguin with a sneezing spoon?
No way! I don't think so.
Nah, that'd be too ridiculous. Could never work. Maybe... What if zoo found this penguin and zoo would use this spoon to to feed the penguin soup. But what about the sneezing sound? Well, maybe the penguin made the sneeze sound. Maybe that's what the soup is for. But what would that mean?
Sniffles!
Sniffles? Sniffles! Yeah! You're right! You're so right! A penguin must have the sniffles! I mean, I had them before. So, zoo probably found this penguin at the North Pole, brought it to our house, and then he made some soup in the kitchen, and he's feeding it to a penguin with the sniffles! He just figured out zoo's clues!